everyone, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a quick little itty bitty Dollar Tree haul, and I'm super excited to show you what I picked up. So they had finally these new storage containers in the auto section, and I love these. First of all, I love any storage containers without the removable dividers, and these were so awesome. Again, if you've been following my Instagram stories, I am totally addicted to storage containers, and I picked them up while I could. I'd seen them in my friend's haul, but I picked up 3 of these. Can't wait to get to organizing. And then this was 100% enabled by Lacey. She has been killing it with those beautiful Dollar Tree altering projects that she's shown on her channel, and I scoured my store and I found this one, and it was like torn, but I was like, I don't care, I need it because it was so beautiful. Her project was gorgeous and I needed to pick them up. And then next I picked up 3 of these. They're called coupon holders, and they open up just like this, but I thought, how great would these be to hold goodies? I mean, I can totally see like embellishments. This one even folds out completely. I thought this was so cool to alter, and it comes with 2 little front pockets. So I did pick up 3 of these. You know, my Dollar Tree is a little funky, so it's like when you see it, you just have to buy it. And then this is completely new, and I was so excited to see them because I have not seen them in my stores ever. These are those jelly spirals, and again, they were such a big hit for Valentine's Day. And Anna, who's Serenity Creations, had done a tutorial on how to alter these, so I thought I'd pick them up, and for $1 for 3, I figure you can't go wrong, and I do love the colors, so I picked that up. And then I found this thing here, which is the Puffy Paint, and this was $1, you guys, and this is glow in the dark. And again, they have like these weird items, but I picked it up and I can't wait to play with this for Halloween. And then I picked up this little storage bin. Again, such an addiction to organization. So this little basket, and it's gold, and it's really cute. I think I could put papers in here, or I don't know, I'll find a use for it. Maybe little bins. So that is it for my quick little Dollar Tree haul. I hope you find the stuff in your stores and you can get lucky with the new finds that I found in my stores. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.